Hello everybody, today I'm at SMU, Singapore Management University. This is one of the biggest university in Singapore, and they are quite established in the business and economics and law field. So as a former alumni, I came back to revisit this place. I'm not sure what we can expect here because it's been a long time since I came back. And this place near the city or MRT, so let's check it out. Even Nanyang Coffee and Toast right here. Nanyang Cafe, and I can see beautiful chairs and some students right here, man. And it's quite dark. It's quite nice. I mean, they revamped this area. Last time in 2005 July, there wasn't much shops, There were only the school buildings. Right here, the School of Business. You need a student card to go in. Yeah, even charging point, man. For the students, it looks very beautiful, more pretty than a library. But the way here is a smoke-free campus, and there's a decashing library in front. But you need to be students to access the library. You can also go for overseas internship, man. Besides the local internship, because it's part of requirement, internships to graduate from the university for your bachelor degree. There's an SMU shop here. Let's see what it sells. Unfortunately, I couldn't see anything from the shop outside. So anyway, there's a cheers. Wow. Lots of vending machines. And there's a shop over there. They're selling the toys for pets. They call it popopets.com. Knowledge Receives Destiny by the Dr. Dika Xing, who donated the library. So in front is a decashing library, but you need to have a student card to go in, man. Wow, this campus green look like a playground, man. I think you can even play some ball games. But people are having some picnics. I think the non-students, visitors also come here and sit down. There's a School of Computing and Information System, by the way. Oh, Oriental and Western vegetarian cuisine, 10% for students, so probably you can buy also, no problem. The pizza, satay burger, and much more. And limited lunch meals. Depending on the day of the week. And this green tarmac is for running, man. Travel is 5 kilometers. The chickens here. Oh, look at that. The structure. We have arrived at School of Computing, man. Let's check out. And this place, right, is opposite the National Museum. So nice. After school, you can go and tour. I can't believe the gym is so like 5-star kind of the gym, It looks so atas. Last time the gym is very small at the Bukit Timah campus. It's just operated by the trainer last time, the Fred, F-R-E-D. Hey, by the way, there's a subway here. And that's what chaiwala sandwiches. And the drink from $3 to $5. Wow, they have a Master of IT in Business, and the Vietnamese woman, Noti Mi Duyên, also come here and learn. Oh, she's the Assistant Vice President of Citibank. What a big money, man. And then the light bulb. Bencoolen Street, wow. If you study here, you can go to town easily. If a YouTuber as well, you can come here and make video. You don't need to travel like I did every day from home to here. It's quite far, and from it's 2-way trip anyway. No complaints, good exercise. The opposite is what kind? It's School of Economics and Computing and Information System too. So they have 2 buildings of the School of Computing and Information System. They also plant some beautiful trees here. Indian rosewood. Last time I was offered a place to study computing in NTU, but I turned down. I came for the interview here at the SMU and was accepted. I was so happy because I wanted the open style learning concept and not just the tutorial after tutorial kind of stuff. And I find it very interesting, because the professors actually encourage interaction. Oh, look at that, basement there are some more. There's lots of gym. Nasi Lemak Ayam Taliwan Mission Card 2021-2022, man. So this is the student study lounge. think it's a nice place to study and do some projects. Oh my god, there are many buildings here. So first impression at the economics school, right, and the IT school, it's very cold here. But I'm just excited to see what kind of stuff I can find, especially the shops, and look at the students. I just found this Vancouver MRT downtown line. It's so cool. So there's so many lines here. Oh, there's a gym and fitness center, but I don't think Fred is working there anymore. I don't see Fred anymore. Hey, there's even a microwave here, and so many vending machines. iJuice. All you need is cash. Beside the student study fees. What is this? Pronto arigato. It's for like, for the PC, for laptops. So I thought it's some kind of like shuttle service. Hey, I saw something interesting on the website. It's called the Annual Launch. But I think it's closed now. No, it looks pretty interesting. I finally found the first cafe here. Singapore best 36-hour Japanese curry, kuro curry. But what's the tortoise to do with it, man? And look at the menu. They have like seaweed chicken, fried chicken, tuna two furious, unami, tuna belly, apple on my rib eye, and waffles out of the world. Hey, there's even a Circle 9 Bras Basah here, SEC. And you reach directly the School of Economics, man. And they're having some dance right now. Hey, hop. Look at this, man. General medicine and physiotherapy right here at the clinic. And yeah, there's a bubble tea there, and then I smell food. What is this, man? Coffee. Oh, BRAK. I saw a food court in front. That's where the food smell came from. It's Kofu, you know. It's quite famous in Singapore. We have Kopitiam, Kofu, lots of food court. Even Boleh, Malaysia Boleh. Let's check out what they have here. Ban Mian. So there are two prices, student and public. Student is discounted about $1, and then for public you pay about $1 more. That is, man, waffle. Bibimbap Korean restaurant. And there's a bakery here. Wow. They sell kopi teo and iced honey tea. Look at that. $2.20 chicken ham and floss. Buy 3 for $5. So there's a menu for the Korean bibimbap. From like $5 to $6. And from here you can see the students hip hopping. Alright, the first food court I saw here, Kofu. So there's student prices and public price. Student price like $1 cheaper. Look very like attractive. Mala xiangbo ban mian, yu pian tang. They even have kao yu, you know. And mala tang. Oh, this is insane, man. The library of stories unfinished. Looks like a pop-up book. They try to open. Wait, you can actually open this like a museum. Our second chance at life and love. Student Services Hub. Wow. Let's see what they have here. Creativity takes courage. Is it a kind of barber? Hey guys, there's a barber shop here. Wow. IT Help Center. Let's say your laptop crashed or something, you come here. SMU Career Champions. Look at this vending machine, man. It's called Water Cup, man. So they even have the protein shake right here, man. This is insane. Rest, relax, and recharge. It's a hotel. Rest nest. Oh. And this way leads back to the School of Business. I like the tiles, man. And there are a lot of posters asking people to, no, they say you can contact them if you like the different sport, taekwondo, wushu, archery, muay thai, MMA, so many. Last time they also have made so many, no. Tasty meals. Meals in minutes. Or the crippled chicken rice. And then one fresh hot sandwiches. So this is a parking fee for the SMU under the Nikon Chain School of Business. $2.90 per hour from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 11:59, $3.40 for motorbikes at half price. Here you can see Marina Bay Sands from here, man. It's insane, so beautiful. I discovered the law building, Yong Pong Ho. So a lot on the left side, and here is the SMU connection. Wow, I think that side is Fort Canning. So anyway, take a look at this building. Behind there's some beautiful building, and this one is Vanguard building, and looks so nice at night. Look at this, man. True blue. It's some kind of like Michelin 2025 restaurant and a cafe at the corner. Okay, my guess was correct. This is the Peranakan Museum. They open until 7. So students have a lot of choices for food and travel. They come to this museum, Peranakan Museum, or the National Museum. It's insane, man. But if you don't stay near town, then it takes some time to travel. Oh, 今天是拜五了，可以进去，开到9点。That's a good news. Wow, that's an interesting visit. But they say this is the old Tao School, established by Singapore Hokkien. And the Peranakan staff are very colorful. I'm lucky I came here today. Actually, it was not on purpose. I was touring the SMU, Singapore Management University nearby, and I saw this. And today is Friday, so it open until 9. Wow, what's this, man? They actually made from different kind of color plastic. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up, like and share and subscribe so more people can find the video for this Peranakan Museum. So I guess that's a tour for today. And it's time to say bye-bye. You know, I tried to exit from, I couldn't find the exit to come to this like common corridor. So yeah, and by the way, there's one nice eagle here. Oh, they want the freedom. So take care everyone. See you guys in the next video, and 加麻的呢。